Guys, if you are still using Nano Banana in order to create consistent characters for the videos or for the stories that you are creating, there is a new tool that you have to check it out. So the examples that I'm going to show you now are completely created using the new tool that I'm going to show you in this video. So here with just a single image and with a single prompt, you can go ahead and create the consistent characters. And as you can see, you now have a story which is created with those characters or with those scenes that are generated. This is one example that you can consider. This is the second example that you can check this out. So in this video, just look at the face swaps, how perfect those are, right? So this is something that you can actually create with the tool that I'm going to show you as well. Just check this example as well. Look at the effect, such a cool effect, right? So there are ton lot of effects that you can actually perform using this particular tool as well. I'll show you that as well. These are just some of the examples that I have shown you. So in this video, I'll try to go with the platform and I'll try to show you how to generate those consistent characters and how to use these effects and all those stuff. If you are ready, let's get started with the video. Okay, so the platform that I'm talking about is called Higgsfield.ai. I'll leave the link to that particular website in the description. If you just click on the link, you'll be taken to this particular website and you can just go ahead and create a free account. So with the consistent characters feature that I'm going to show you, it's actually free for now. I'm not sure whether it's going to be free completely or as of now, it's completely free to use. The feature is called Popcorn. This is one sort of feature that we'll be using. And the other examples that I'm going to show you in this video are some sort of paid features and some sort of free features. If you want to this website is completely based out of the credit system. So if you want to go ahead and use out the premium models or the premium tools, you have to purchase the monthly subscription where you'll be getting some credits. So that's how it's going to work. But the popcorn feature is completely free. So let's try to create a story here. So the working of this particular tool is you just have to give out the characters here, like the images of the characters that you want in the story. So you can go ahead and upload up to 4 images for the characters. And coming to the storyline or the story, you can go ahead and describe the story here. And the AI is automatically going to take and create the scenes out of it. That's one thing. And in the manual thing, you can actually go ahead and prompt out each scene, like how exactly you want the scene to be. So here you'll have to choose how many results or you can consider these as how many scenes you want. The max is 8 and this is the aspect ratio that you want the scenes to be generated with. So what I'll be doing is I'll be going with the auto and I've asked ChatGPT to generate a simple story and just give out it in 2 lines. So it just came out with this particular story. I'll just try to copy this and I'll try to paste that out here. And now we have to actually add images, right? So let's try to add the images of Elon Musk. What do you think? So let's do that. Okay, I gave it 4 images of Elon Musk that I found online, like I found it on Google. So I just gave it 4 images of Elon Musk, and I want it to generate around 4 results in the aspect ratio of 16:9. So what I'll do is I'll just click on generate for free. Now what it's going to do is it's going to go ahead and create the 4 scenes. Like I just asked it to create 4, right? So it's going to create those 4 scenes and it's going to give me those. I'll come back once the scenes are generated. Okay, now it actually generated 4 scenes. So let's go ahead and click on the first one. So if I click on this first one, I'll just move my video here. So as you can see, we have some options here. If you want to go ahead and animate this particular image, in the next second we'll be doing that. And if you want to make any changes to the image that it's generated, you can go ahead and click on this edit option to make the changes. And if you want to upscale the image, so if you are not sure what upscaling is, let's say if the image that's generated is maybe full HD, like 1920 into 1080, if that's the resolution of the image, if you click on upscale, it's going to upscale the pixel. So the end goal of the upscaling is to improve the quality of it. And if you want to download it, you can go ahead and download it from here. So let's try to animate this. As you can see, if I click on the animate, these are the previous videos that I have generated. Just ignore them. So I'll be going with, I'll change this here. I'll be going with VO3 maybe. I'll be going with VO3 and we have the image that we have selected here. So what I'll do is I'll just put out this simple prompt here. I'll enhance this, and I'll keep the quality as 720p, and I'll keep the aspect ratio the same. So here, as you can see, if you want to generate the video, the model that I'm using is Google VO3, right? Which is a kind of advanced model. There are some alternatives that you can go ahead with as well. There are ton lot of other models as well. We have models from Higgsfield from the same website. We have Sora 2, which is the latest video generation model from OpenAI, and we have Kling, which is another great model. We have a lot of other different models which you can try it out, but I'll just go with the VO 3.1 now. So I just gave it a basic prompt here. So what I'll do is I'll just click on generate. Now it's actually going to go ahead and generate the video for me. As we chose the Google VO3, like the 3.1 model, it it's going to generate the audio as well. So I'll get back to you once the video is generated. So this is, I mean, usually this is the process. You have to create the scenes first, and then you can click on animate and choose the model and give out the prompt. This is going to turn that into the video. So by the end, you just have to combine these in order to create a complete video, like tweaking stuff and editing the editing some of the things that if you want to edit. So like the flow is actually something in this way. So I'll just show you the video once it's generated. This is just some of the part that the Higgsfield can do. There are a lot of features that you can actually use. So as the video is get okay, so now we have the video. So let's just wait for a second and I'll just play the video. In the meantime, there are a lot of features that you can actually use. If you just hover over the image option, these are the different options that you can actually use in the same website. So this is something, let's say, if you want to usually use Google VO3, you have to take in the premium subscription of Google Gemini, right? So in this case, all of the different tools, like all of the different tools are going to be combined in the single platform. That's maybe in image or that's maybe in video, whatever you see. So in the case of image, we have all these different options, and in the case of video, we have all these different options. So this is a kind of one-stop solution for different platforms. Like you don't have to pay the subscription for different platforms. This is something that you can give a look at it. And if we just like we have the video, right? So I'll just try to play the video. Um as you can see this video, like I mean the video is actually good, but it did not recognize the face properly. The reason might be like I mean the image that we gave, it's kind of a long shot, and the image or the face is not clearly there, right? That might be the reason. We'll try with another image. Like we have the second image that's there, right? So I'll just go ahead and try that out. Now let's try to play this video. This is a kind of like I mean it's kind of similar but not completely up to mark. So if we try to iterate with the models or if we try to iterate with the prompts, it's actually going to work. So these are some of the examples that I've created using this particular same tool. So this is how you will be able to generate these scenes, or how you will be able to generate the videos. Okay, so the next cool feature that I want to show you here is, so if I just try to play this video, the video that I've shown you at the start of the video, like you see this effect, right? Like a disappearing effect. So how you can actually do that is, let's try to do that with the same image. So I'll just try to remove the prompt here, and you just have to come over to the video, and you just have to click on this change option. Just click on that, and you have to choose the Higgsfield model, like the website's model, and go to effects. So here you'll find all the different effects that you can actually use. So like you can actually, like if you want the earth zoom out effect, then you can actually use this out. And this is like if you want the face punch, you can go ahead and use this. What I'll try to do is I'll try to go with the same like we have the disappearing effect, right? So I'll try to go with the same disappearing effect. Let me just find that out. Okay, so this is the effect. I'll just click on that effect. So that's going to be selected here. And make sure your prompt is like, I mean, if you want to go ahead and write out the prompt, you can write that out, or else just keep the prompt empty. And make sure you actually turn the enhance option on, so that the model actually recognizes what's the scene there and how it can go ahead with. And you can choose the usual Higgsfield light model that works, and just click on generate. This is going to take 5 credits. As I've told you, some of these models are free to use. I mean, like the some of the features are free to use, and some of the features, like most probably all the video generation features, are going to save take some credits. If you want to give a quick look with the pricing plans, so this is how the pricing looks like. So the basic plan is going to start $9 monthly. That's either monthly or annual. And the current plan that I'm actually on is called Ultimate. So this is going to give you around 1200 credits per month, and these are all the features that you'll be getting, and these are all the video models that you'll have the access to. So, and you can actually compare all these plans here. So this is the ultimate, like the creator is a topmost plan with around 6000 credits per month. So based on the requirement, I think you can give out a try. But the popcorn feature, as I've told you, is free as of now. I'm not sure whether that's going to be free for lifetime, or maybe for some time period. As of now, that's free. So let's go back to our video. So it's still generating our video. I'll get back to you once the video is generated. So we now have the video. I'll just go ahead and play out the video, and let's see how it's generated. Okay. This is not good. This is not at all good. So let's try to give it another chance. So guys, we now have a new video that is generated. I just switched the model from like the light model to the standard model. And let's just check with the video whether this is a bit better than the previous one or not. Okay. This is kind of better because I mean the problem with this, I think the problem with this is because it has to erase both the paper from here, it has to erase it, right? So I think that's actually the problem. I'll just try to bring out a new image. So I'm actually now adding a new image, like a different image. So let's see whether this is going to come up with the perfect result like we have here with the Sam Altman. So I'll just try to generate it once again. I think that's the problem because I mean here you have to, like, the AI has to erase both the paper and also the person here, right? And it only has 5 seconds to do that. Like, I mean, the model that we are currently using has the cap of the max 5 seconds of the video. So I think that's actually the problem. So let's see whether if we can actually go ahead and come out, like if it can come out with a better output now. Okay, now we have the new generation. So like for the new image, let's go ahead and play out the video here. Uh, yeah, this is actually perfect. Like, so yeah, I mean, that's what I'm about to tell you. Based on the images and based on the iteration and based on the models that you're actually using, like you'll be getting the outputs, but you just have to try that out and iterate on it. That's the whole point. So these are some of the things that I just want to show you in this particular website. And as I have told you, there are a ton lot of other features that you have to, you can go ahead and check that out. So this is it for the video. I leave the website link in the description, so you can just click on the link and create a free account in the website. And that's it for the video. If you find this video helpful, just give it a like, and I'll see you in the next one.